All right, now if you are what I like to call the level 3, you need a level 3 help. And you're like, this is just beyond me. I don't sketch that much. I'm like your wife in the basketball example. What do you got to help someone like me? Well, I have good news for you. Now, if this was if you're in the classroom, I give you this guy, all right? And which is really cool about this guy is that you can bend him around here like this and make him, do things that you might want him to do, jump or run or things like that. And I know kids are really visualizing this correctly, is if they do this correctly. So if, like arms don't bend like that and knees don't bend like that. So obviously, if you bend your guy in the wrong position, then yeah, you have, there's something wrong here. Like arms don't do that, okay? And I don't love this thing because you only have a profile for the face and the hands. I'm going to want you to change. I mean, that's okay to some degree, but when you're running, you don't shape your hands like that. Or if you wanted to do your superhero fighting someone, that's not going to be the right hand position. And so I do want some changes. This is just the beginning. You say, Mr. Lane, how do we get one of those? You're at school, I am not. So I have this option. Now, I will say, if you're in my class, sometimes I get angry at kids who do this. But now I'm going to tell you to do it. There's a Google Sheets called Superhero Level 3 Help. And I want you to find that. I've got links all kinds of places, so look around for that. But I want you to go like that and hit present. Okay, and then you're going to have, and you can push the arrows back and forth, a few poses here. And you might say, okay, I want to do my guy. Okay, I want to do my guy jumping. All right. So in this situation, what I'm going to do is put my paper right on top of that, and I am going to trace it. Now, probably on my screen right now, it's a little difficult to see this, and some papers do better than others. If you have printer paper at home, you might not want to use one of my color or my drawing papers, and maybe use that. Now, here's the trick to this. You have to decide which arm is in front and which arm is in back. The same with the legs, okay? So I can see the back right here. If I draw the back going through this, that arm's on this side, and this arm, I'm going to draw some lines in there, are in the front of us, okay? It is very important if you're using one of these guys to make that choice. Now, if this guy is up like that, then the leg is going to be down, okay? And so I'm going to try to trace that as close as I can, and that is gonna, I think, will look fairly successful. That means this leg is the farthest away leg. There's the like that, and so that would be your sketch for today. And I need everybody to take their sketch, hold it up to their webcam, and put it on the thing for this lesson, and so that I can grade it. And then tomorrow I'm going to show you how to draw hands and face and costumes, and then we're going to do, I'll show you kind of a tracing method like that to do the backgrounds.